Verify the purity on this titanium plate. The last shipment had minor inconsistencies.
The turbine blades look good on Sector 3.
Confirming rotation alignment now.
Easy now, keep it coming down slow. Watch the clearance on your side. Clear on this side. Looks like we're aligned. Set it down.
Following the precise installation of the infrared lenses, the sensor turret immediately initiates a rapid multi-axis self-test rotation.
The gun is secured to the swivel mount. It then performs a test elevation and traverse, moving with a high torque whine that signals its readiness for combat.
As the manifold cycles the actuators, red hydraulic fluid pulses through the lines. The digital screen confirms the pressure.
I have the umbilical cable seated.
Roger that. Engaging the mechanical interface lock. Confirmed seated.
The multi-layered acrylic canopy glass is installed. A thick internal blast shield is fitted for protection, offering ultra-realistic clarity.
A technician snaps a sensor into its armored housing. A small test light on the sensor flashes amber, confirming it. For transport on cargo planes, the Apache's blades are folded back using an automated mechanism, ensuring quick reconfiguration.
The defensive dispensers carry magnesium flares and aluminum chaff to decoy incoming missiles. The electrical firing pins are tested with a multimeter.
Once the harnesses are fitted, we snap the buckles together and pull the straps tight, ensuring a secure and ergonomic fit for the crew.
The chemical agent-resistant coating is designed to resist chemical weapons and reduce the infrared signature of the aircraft.
We're performing a static pressure leak test. The gauges should respond immediately as pressure is applied, showing no leaks in the pneumatic lines.
The pilot moves the rudder pedals to change the pitch of the tail rotor blades. This creates the sideways thrust needed to turn the helicopter.
Here we verify the pressure gauges and the electrical firing squibs on the halon system. Everything appears to be in the safe zone. The technician utilizes the laser particle counter to ensure there are no microscopic digital contaminants. As the blades spin, the computer analyzes vibration levels, showing technicians which pitch link rods need adjustment to smooth the flight. Installed at the tips of the main rotor blades, these LEDs create a glowing green circle, helping the pilot judge the rotor diameter in tight spaces.
Power stabilized on battery 1.
Copy that. Starting the discharge timer now, looking good so far.
Display reads 5.0 feet. Absolute stability confirmed.
Verification measurement complete. Within tolerance.
Towed across the misty airfield, the Apache joins the fleet, preparing for its maiden flight test.
Initiating forward taxi and flight control response test.
Controls check complete.
Engaging physical wheel brakes now. Deceleration looks nominal. TADS reports a solid lock. Maintaining precision track on the
running at maximum ceiling. Engine torque and temperature are stable, just below the red line.
The vibration analysis is streaming now.
Looks good, well within limits.
Certification complete. The Apache is ready for service.
Outstanding.
For shipping across the ocean, the Apache is wrapped in a heavy-duty white polymer shrink wrap. This protects it from salt air and moisture.
Hold it steady. Parking brake set.
Tensioning chains on the starboard side now.
Guide it left.
Okay, hold steady.
Securing the rear shackles now. Wrap secure on the nose. How are the lashings? Tight as a drum. All green.
Field check complete. Ground crew is clear. Copy that. Auxiliary power engaging. Avionics online.